Postdocs are the pulse of ISB. They come in with a variety of new ideas and with a passion for doing something completely new and groundbreaking science. And in some ways, the innovation that happens at ISB is driven in a large part by these ideas that come with postdocs when they come and work with professors here.
The research work that I've accomplished here at ISB has been some of the highest quality of my career so far, and I've only recently reflected on just how much of that is actually coming from the mentorship from my mentors here at ISB. They're really good at striking a balance between pushing and encouraging and giving me a lot of independence.
My mentor, Alice Kim, is really helpful and extremely detail-oriented. When we were talking about big projects or some ideas, she was always very encouraging and always to brainstorm with me together, try to figure out the best solution for our projects.
One of the things I really appreciate about ISB is that in addition to getting great mentorship, I feel that it provides an environment where I'm easily able to collaborate with individuals outside of my group.
My experience at ISB was very helpful in shaping my ability to lead an independent research team. I had a lot of ongoing collaborations which started when I was a postdoctoral fellow at ISB, which helped me grow academically as well as intellectually across multiple disciplines.
You can think of postdoctoral fellows as apprentices. In graduate school, you learn how to do research, but going from that kind of skill set to becoming an independent investigator, be it in academia or industry, is a rigorous journey where you need to learn not just how to do research, but how to establish an independent research program.
ISB, I think, really is providing a springboard for me to go many different directions. The skills and experience that I've been gaining here, I think, could easily facilitate me starting my own lab and becoming a principal investigator. The skills, I think, could also easily take me into an industry role, maybe here in Seattle, which has a thriving biotech industry, or elsewhere.
ISB sits somewhere between academia and industry. Unlike an academic department in a university where you may have expertise in a particular area like in microbiology or biochemistry, here we have faculty that cut across disciplines. So the science we do is quite unique in bringing different expertise into close quarters under one roof.
Unlike other big universities and the institute, ISB is relatively small, and they give me the opportunities to collaborate with other colleagues in other labs, and also looking for some collaborations with other faculties.
So when postdocs come in here, they typically come from an academic background where they have been trained in one or maybe two disciplines and they have deep expertise there. But when they come to ISB, they get the opportunity to work across many more disciplines.
I was very insular in focusing in on coral research during my PhD. However, here I've been able to have exposure to a number of different topics, from infectious disease to cancer research. So I've been able to build a depth in the research that I already had experience in, but also widen my skill set.
The journey through ISB essentially prepares them to take on real-world problems, which typically end up requiring a range of different skill sets within a group and across collaborations with other groups.
I'm primarily grateful for the people. This is an excellent community to work in. It's very diverse in the topics focused on and the people that are carrying out the research. I'm also grateful for the diversity of experiences that I've gained.
I'm grateful to be very well supported by my mentor. I'm grateful to be doing cutting-edge science that I feel has a tangible impact on the world.
ISB gave me the opportunity and the platform to explore problems and issues in the field of healthcare.
I'm grateful for ISB because by the time I left ISB, I didn't just have a set of publications. I had my own scientific identity, a network of collaborators, and I was able to tackle complex interdisciplinary issues that helped me eventually build up my own independent lab.
While we're very successful in raising that funding from federal funding agencies like NIH, NSF, DoD, DOE, and so on, those funding sources don't typically cover everything that is required for someone to do the complete science, from foundational work all the way to translation. And for postdocs to be successful across that cross-section of what constitutes real-world science, we need more support from additional sources like foundations and philanthropists and so on. So this becomes a very core requirement for postdocs to be successful in our training program.